To use Lyft Credit, you first need to understand what it is and how it works. Lyft Credit is a promotional balance that can be applied to your Lyft rides. It is usually earned through referrals, promotions, or other special offers. To check if you have Lyft Credit, open the Lyft app and go to the menu by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner. Then select the payment option and look for the Lyft Credit balance. If you have a Lyft Credit balance, it will be automatically applied to your next ride. You do not need to take any action to use it. When you request a ride, the Lyft app will automatically deduct the ride cost from your Lyft Credit balance before charging. Your primary payment method. For example, if you have $10 in Lyft Credit and you request a ride that costs $15, the Lyft app will use the $10 in Lyft Credit and charge the remaining $5 to your primary payment method. You can also use Lyft Credit to cover the entire cost of a ride if the ride cost is less than or equal to your Lyft Credit balance. In this case, you will not be charged anything on your primary payment method. It is also important to note that Lyft Credit typically expires after a certain period, so make sure to use it before it expires. The expiration date of your Lyft Credit can be found in the Lyft app under the payment option. In summary, using Lyft Credit is a straightforward process that requires no action on your part. The Lyft app will automatically apply your Lyft Credit balance to your next ride. By following these steps, you can easily use your Lyft Credit and save money on your rides.